In this video we are gonna teach how do you get this much coins like me. You don't even need a fast car. You just need a helicopter. Get to a helicopter mission, which rewards you 9,500 coins. Triple it and the game gives you 18,810 coins. And it is very fast to complete. And every cargo goods delivered gives you 950 coins. Triple it and the game gives you 3,135 coins. And the cargoes isn't even that heavy to lift. Even just a small helicopter can lift those goods. Though there are 5 goods to lift, a fast and small helicopter can complete this fast. And look, my coins went from 475,000 to 500,000 real quick. Keep repeating the process until you get to the money you want. Like and subscribe if you know the process of money making.